Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of struggling with dirty, creamy wheels? Well, you are in luck because today we are diving into the world of wheel cleaning brushes. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or just want your ride to sparkle, we have got you covered. Join us as we unveil the top picks and insider tips to achieve the showroom shine. Stick around till the end for exclusive recommendations you won't want to miss. At the first position of our list, we have Rubbermaid Commercial 8-inch Utility Scrub Brush with a plastic handle, your ultimate solution for tackling tough cleaning tasks with ease. Engineered with durability and effectiveness in mind, the scrub brush is designed to power through dirt, cream, and stains on various surfaces. Crafted with high-quality materials, the brush features steady bristles that ensure thorough cleaning without causing damage. Its ergonomic plastic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Versatile and reliable, the scrub brush is ideal for use in kitchens, bathrooms, and other high-traffic areas. Whether you are scrubbing floors, tiles, or countertops, this brush gets the job done effortlessly. Experience professional-grade cleaning performance at an affordable price point. The Rubbermaid Commercial 8-inch Utility Scrub Brush offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal today and see the difference for yourself. At number 2, we have Chemical Guys ACCG08 Wheelie All Exterior Surface and Wheel Brush, the ultimate tool for achieving showroom quality results with ease. The versatile brush is specifically designed to tackle dirt, cream, and break dust on all exterior surfaces, including wheels, tires, and paintwork. Featuring a sleek and ergonomic design, the Wheelie brush boasts durable nylon bristles that effectively loosen and remove stubborn contaminants without scratching delicate surfaces. Its unique shape and size makes it ideal for reaching tight spaces and intricate wheel designs, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Crafted with durability in mind, this brush is built to withstand frequent use and is resistant to wear and tear. Say goodbye to flimsy brushes that lose their shape after a few uses. The Chemical Guys ACCG08 Wheelie brush is built to last. Experience professional-grade cleaning power at an unbeatable price. Unlike other brushes on the market, the Wheelie brush offers exceptional value without compromising on quality or performance. Safe for use on all car surfaces including paint, chrome, and aluminum, this brush delivers outstanding results without causing damage. Upgrade your detailing arsenal and achieve unparalleled shine with the Chemical Guys ACCG08 Wheelie All Exterior Surface and Wheel Brush today. Next up at number 3, we have WOY Wmid Wheel Cleaning Brush Car Detailing Kit, the ultimate tool for achieving impeccably clean rims. Designed for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, this rim brush combines innovative features and high-quality construction for exceptional cleaning performance. The WOY Wmid Wheel Cleaning Brush features a unique, flexible design that allows it to reach deep into narrow spaces and around wheel spokes, ensuring no area is left untouched. Its soft yet durable bristles effectively remove or break dust, cream, and road dirt without scratching or damaging your rims. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with the WOY Wmid Wheel Cleaning Brush. The brush's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the built-in knuckle guard protects your hand from abrasion and chemicals, ensuring a safe and efficient cleaning experience. Crafted for durability, this wheel cleaning brush is made from high-quality materials that withstands repeated use and exposure to harsh cleaning agents. Its robust construction guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a reliable addition to any car detailing kit. Despite its premium features, the WOY Wmid Wheel Cleaning Brush Car Detailing Kit is affordably priced, offering excellent value for money. Transform your wheel cleaning routine with this versatile and effective rim brush and enjoy professional-level results from the comfort of your driveway. The number 4 position is held by 62-inch car wash brush with long handle Chenille microfiber. Engineered to perfection, this brush is designed to deliver superior cleaning power while ensuring ease of use and durability. Crafted with a long handle measuring 62 inches, this brush provides extended reach, allowing you to clean even the most hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle with ease. The Chenille microfiber bristles are ultra-soft yet highly effective at trapping dirt and debris, ensuring a scratch-free clean every time. The brush's ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing fatigue. Plus, the microfiber material is gentle on all surfaces including paint, glass, and chrome, so you can clean your car with confidence. Built to last, this brush is constructed from high-quality materials that are resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-term durability and reliability. Whether you are washing your car at home or on the go, this brush is up to the task. Experience professional quality cleaning results without breaking the bank. The 62-inch car wash brush with long handle Chenille microfiber offers unbeatable value for money, making it the perfect addition to any car enthusiast's arsenal. Next up at number 5, we have OEMTOOLS 24686 Brake Hub Resurfacing Kit, your ultimate solution for restoring brake hubs to pristine condition with ease. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle brake rotors resurfacing tasks efficiently, saving you time and money on expensive replacements. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the kit includes everything you need to achieve professional-grade results. The high-quality components ensure optimal performance and long-lasting durability, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Featuring a user-friendly design, the kit is easy to use and requires minimal setup. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control and smooth operation during resurfacing tasks. The OEMTOOLS 24686 Brake Hub Resurfacing Kit delivers exceptional effectiveness thanks to its innovative design and high-performance materials. Say goodbye to uneven brake surfaces and annoying vibrations. This kit ensures smooth, reliable braking performance every time. Experience the difference for yourself and take the hassle out of brake maintenance with the OEMTOOLS 24686 Brake Hub Resurfacing Kit. With its unbeatable combination of quality, performance and affordability, it's the perfect addition to any garage or workshop. Next up at number 6, we have Adams Polishes Tire Brush Premium Tire Brush, the ultimate tool for achieving showroom quality results on your tires with ease. Engineered with precision and crafted from high-quality materials, this tire brush is designed to deliver superior cleaning power while protecting your wheels. Featuring durable bristles and a steady handle, the Adams Polishes Tire Brush is built to withstand the toughest grime and debris without causing damage to your tires. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for effortless cleaning even on the dirtiest of surfaces. The premium construction of this tire brush guarantees long-lasting durability, so you can rely on it for all your tire cleaning needs for years to come. Say goodbye to filmy brushes that lose their shape after a few uses. The Adams Polishes Tire Brush is in it for the long haul. Experience professional-grade cleaning performance at an unbeatable price. Unlike other brushes on the market, the Adams Polishes Tire Brush delivers outstanding results without breaking the bank. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or a professional detailer, this tire brush is a must-have addition to your arsenal. Upgrade your tire cleaning routine and achieve a stunning shine every time with Adams Polishes Tire Brush Premium Tire Brush. With its unbeatable combination of quality, performance and affordability, it's the perfect choice for all tire cleaning needs. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Forney 72747 Bench Wheel Brush, your go-to solution for tackling tough cleaning and surface preparation tasks with ease. Crafted with precision and built to last, this bench wheel brush is designed to deliver superior performance in a wide range of applications. Featuring durable web bristles and a steady construction, the Forney 72747 brush is capable of removing rust, paint, scale, and other stubborn debris from metal surfaces with ease. Its innovative design ensures efficient material removal while minimizing the risk of damage to the underlying surface. The bench wheel brush is versatile and can be used with bench grinders, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts, craftsmen, and professional tradespeople alike. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability, allowing you to reach tight spaces and integrate details with precision. Built to withstand the rises of heavy-duty use, the Forney 72747 brush is highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. Say goodbye to filmy brushes that fail to deliver. The Forney 72747 wheel brush is engineered for reliability and longevity. Experience professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Unlike other brushes on the market, the Forney 72747 offers unbeatable value without compromising on quality or effectiveness. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on the best wheel cleaning brushes. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Share your favorite brush in the comments below and keep those wheels gleaming. Until next time, happy detailing!